just put thingamabobber here, there. These two biggies right in here. And this, take this piece and put it on your side. Okay. Oh, it's still not. Oh, both sides broke.
Oh no, is there any way to fix it?
My dear, everything in the world can be fixed with a little thinking and a whole lot of bravery to try. I made a special tool to fix this machine. Let me just fetch it real quick. Where is that little rascal? Here it is. I call it the Polo tool. If the machine ever breaks, just put the tool in the machine, like so. Go. And then follow these steps. Put your head in, put your head out, put your head in, and you wiggle like a trap. You do the Marco Polo, and you turn your day around. That's what it's all about. Will you do it with me, Amelia?
Yeah.
Will you folks also do it with me?
Yes.
Okay, ready? You put your
Head in, you put your head out, you put your head in, and you wiggle like a trap. You do the Marco Polo, and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
Fantastic job, everyone. The Mark Machine 3000 is fixed. Say, honey, can you get us a snack before we try it out?
Sure, Dad. Dad, I got us some apples and granola bars, and Dad, Marco, where are you? Marco!
Hey, what's the big idea?
What are you?
I'm one of your dad Marco's forgotten inventions that fell behind the workbench. I'm part robot and part fish. The name's Goldfish. What are you?
A person?
Last time I checked, people don't have sticks coming out of their hands and...
That's not important. I'm Amelia. Do you know what happened to my dad?
No, not exactly. I heard the Marco machine turn on, and then I found this piece of paper under the workbench. Yeah, right there, that one. What does it say?
Your father has been taken away to the past 300 years and a day. Yo ho ho and a bottle of Kool-Aid. The next step is to find the mermaid. We have to find him. We can use the Marco Machine 3000.
Yeah.
I better bring this just in case.
Is this thing gonna make me seasick?
You're a fish.
Oh, right.
All right, here we come, Dad. Don't worry. Goldfish, where are we? What is this place?
Ooh, some sort of island. Hopefully Hawaii. I could use a vacation.
Why would the kidnapper bring my dad here?
Can we go surfing?
Did you hear that? Whoa! Real-life pirates! The clue is true, Goldfish!
Amelia, be careful. They could be dangerous. They could try to hold us prisoner.
I've never seen a map like this before. My black beard sparkles.
Maybe they know where my dad is, or the mermaid the clue talked about. Excuse me!
Hey, stand back. This is our booty.
Booty? I don't want your treasure. I'm looking for my dad. He's been stolen. His name is Marco. Bob? No, Marco!
Bob. What's Bob? And that's all he ever says.
I'm Captain Fakebeard. This is Eye Patch M, and this is our...
Nice to meet you. I'm Amelia. And this is Goldfish.
Aye.
Have you guys seen my dad? He's an inventor. His name is Marco. He's been stolen.
Maybe we have, and maybe we haven't. The question is, what are you going to give us to find out?
Come on, Amelia. They don't know where Marco is or who took him. They're trying to trick you.
Wait, if you promise to help help me, I'll help you figure out that map so you can find the treasure.
Are we going to figure it out alone?
I won't. I have my friends here to help me. Will you help me solve the map and find the treasure?
Hey, Kenny, here's the map.
All right.
It doesn't make a squiffy sense yet.
I got another one. So,
You got this.
where does this one go? What do you think? Like this? Up here? Down here? Here? No?
Almost got it.
Yeah? Okay. Okay. What about this one? Oh, it's upside down. All right? All right? Here? Here? Yeah. We're down here. There you go. What about this one?
You're so
Almost like
close.
that? Almost there?
Hey, good job. One more left.
One more left, one more left.
And then, I wonder where this one goes. I think it goes like this. All right. There you go. You got it.
Hey, good job. Thank you, guys. All right, let's go find the treasure, Buccaneers. Who's gonna man the map?
Bob.
All right, Bob.
Which way do we go first? Oh, all right. Follow the leader.
All right, Bob. Where to now?
Bob.
Oh, okay. Here we go this way. Here we go this way. Yeah, traveling, sing song.
How many paces do we go now, Bob?
Bob.
Okay.
We're almost there.
We're going over here now.
Where is it, Bob?
Bob.
There's a mermaid discovering the treasure. Amethyst.
Amelia, maybe that's the mermaid that the clown was talking about.
Oh my goodness, you're right.
By the powers, this is not going to be good.
Why? Aren't mermaids nice?
Yes, but that's the problem. They're too nice. They make pirates like us fall instantly in love with them.
Now, Captain, you know that's not my fault.
Wow, a real mermaid.
Look at her fin. I'm so jealous.
I am the mermaid, Amethyst. Congrats on solving the map, crew. They're gonna be here a while. Hey, aren't you Marco's daughter?
You know my dad? Are you the mermaid the clue spoke about?
Yes, he and his captor were here for quite a while. They gave me this clue to give to you.
Cool, let's see what it says. Hip hip hooray! You found the first clue, but you've still got some work to do.
Now travel to a place of castles and knights, a snarling beast you have to fight. Oh, thank you, Amethyst.
Oh, silly Amelia, that was the wrong clue.
Now travel to a place of pyramids and sand and find the Sphinx upon the
Well, guys, thank you for your help finding the treasure.
We better get moving. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye. Bye.
Hope you have
See
good
you later.
Thank you. Maybe I was in denial, but I wasn't expecting it to be this hot in Egypt. Get it? Denial.
Very funny. What are we supposed to do now?
I'm not sure, but my water is going to evaporate if we don't find air conditioning soon.
Well, hello there, little roadrunner.
Hello.
Welcome to ancient Egypt. I'm Tom the Adventurer.
Hello?
Oh. My dad was stolen, and whoever took him has been leaving Goldfish and I clues to find him. I'm Amelia, by the way.
Amelia, like Marco's daughter.
Yes, you know my dad?
Oh, he and I go way back. He used to invent all my adventuring gadgets. I hoped you luck in finding him, In the meantime, do you want to help me with my mission? I'm trying to find the ancient sphinx that holds the plans for the pyramids.
Oh.
Wait, Goldfish! Maybe this is the Sphinx the clue was talking about.
Yeah. We're in!
Splendid! Let's go!
Wow, it's actually pretty cool in here.
Indeed. Just don't trip on any booby traps.
A booby trap? What could happen? Oh!
You could get wrapped up in a problem. Hey, have you guys seen the Explorer?
Yes.
Hey, have you seen the Explorer?
Yeah, he's right there.
Where is he? I don't see him.
I can see.
Let's go this way. What about you? Have you seen the Explorer?
Tell me where they're hiding, little pharaohs. Yes, over
Over
there.
there!
They're over there.
Okay.
Don't you see them? They're over there.
What about now? Can you see them now?
Yes. Yes, yes, they're right there.
Over there!
Oh, right there. Oh, no.
Hey, we have a toot in common. All that running's made me sore.
He should go see a chiropractor.
Mummies! Why did it have to be mummies? Here it is, the entrance to the tomb. Let's go.
I am the magic sphinx of the Pharaoh's tomb. What brings you to my resting place?
I am in search of the Pharaoh's plans for the pyramids.
In that case, I have a proposal. If you can solve my riddle, I'll give you the scroll. If you don't, you never get to see the light of day.
I accept.
I don't know, Amelia. I think we should go and let Tom handle this.
But wait, I'm sure the girl wants the next clue to find the lost inventor, Marco.
Solo.
Goldfish, we have to get the next clue. We accept.
The riddle is, when you lose something and look for it, why is it always in the last place you look?
Look. So, when you're missing something, like my eye, why is it always in the last place you look?
Time is running out.
Maybe with other things we've lost in the past.
Well, one time I lost my bowl and I looked at every nook and cranny in the garage, and then I found it, and then...
That's it!
What's it?
The answer to the riddle. The reason you find whatever you lost in the last place you look is because after you find it, you stop looking.
Ah!
Congratulations! You have solved the riddle. Here is the clue.
You are Marco's daughter. Genius, my girl.
Space, the final frontier. Hop in the machine and have no fear.
Put on your helmet and fly away to fix the robot and don't delay. We have to go. Thank you, Tom, and thank you, Mr. Sphinx.
Thank you!
Oh, thank you two for helping me find the Sphinx and get the scroll. If you need anything, you know where to find me. Anything for Marco's daughter. Good luck. Journey on.
Bye!
We mean no harm. We're just looking for...
Wait, how can we be breathing in space?
You are on the planet of Insulanes, in the sandbar of inertia. This is the only other planet we found that has Earth's oxygen levels.
That's so cool.
I am the astronaut Neil Lightstrong. That's my sidekick robot.
Oh, what did you name him?
Robot.
Hello, robot. My name is Goldfish, and this is Amelia.
Oh, so that's how it's gonna be. Walking me now, huh?
Sorry.
Mr. Lightstrong, I'm looking for my dad. He was stolen. His name is Marco.
Hello! I need to take cover. These aliens are troublemakers.
Oh, please, I'm so young.
No! Robot!
Oh, robot.
I can't see! My eyes!
Oh,
I can't see!
Who are you so crazy? Who are those guys?
What's going on?
What's this?
no. Amelia, the time machine isn't working.
Oh no! The Marco Machine 3000 was the last chance to find my dad. Now we're stuck in a galaxy far, far away, pissed out there in time and space, wondering why I couldn't find him. Oh, Dad, I'm so sorry. Oh, my Marco. Polo. Marco. Polo. Marco Polo.
Amelia, what do we need to do? Oh, get the tool out, get the tool out.
My dad taught me how to fix the Marco Machine 3000. You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in, and you shake it like a trap.
You do the polo and you turn yourself around. That's what it's all about.
I need everyone to do it with me or else it won't work.
Everyone, come on.
Together.
You put your head in, you put your head out, you put your head in, and you wiggle like a trout. You do the Marco Polo and you turn your day around. That's what it's all about. Amelia, it worked! We're ready to go!
Thank you all so much, but I still don't know where my dad is.
Remember, where will you find the thing that you have lost?
When you lose something, it's always in the last place you look, because then you stop looking for it. That's it! I know where he is!
Alright, everyone, form a single file line and I will take you all back to your homes. Yeah, that's right. Keep it moving, keep it moving. Alright, yes, hello. Are we all here? Alright. Goodbye. Ready to go, Amelia?
1 second. Let me help you.
Oh, what a nice girl. You're a great travel buddy. Yes.
There you go, all fixed up.
How did you know how to do that?
Oh, my dad taught me. Thank you for everything. It was nice to meet you all.
Of course. Have a safe trip.
Goodbye.
This was one small step for man.
Oh, please do not start that again.
Dad, are you here? Marco! Thought he'd be here. Dad! Oh, man. I'll try again. Marco!
Polo!
Oh my gosh, Dad, I was so worried. So who took you?
Oh, no one took me. I just programmed the machine so that you can go on adventures and have fun. I did this all for you because I'm so proud of you, Amelia.
Thank you, Dad. I love you.
Oh, I love you too. Say, did you give me a souvenir?
Oh, Dad.
No? Yes?
That was so much fun. Goodbye, Amelia. I hope we can play again. Till next time.
watching.
I know, no one brought me flowers.
Thank you for coming.